Hello, and thank you for joining our presentation today. We'd like to thank BioNJ for inviting us to present. My name is Paul LaBarre, and I am the Vice President of Global Business Development at PharmaJet. Today, I'll give an overview of PharmaJet and provide details about how our needle-free injection systems can be used to improve vaccine efficacy, get your new products to market quickly, and elevate the patient and caregiver experience. So let's get started. Since we've presented here at BioNJ in past years, I thought I'd start off with a summary of what is new in the last 12 months. In 2021, this young girl was one of 110,000 Somalian children immunized for polio using PharmaJet's needle-free delivery systems. WHO and Gates Foundation chose PharmaJet for the Somalia campaign because needle-free is a cost-effective option that scales quickly due to ease of training. PharmaJet was also selected in 2021 as the exclusive delivery technology for a COVID vaccine called ZyCoV-D, which received emergency use authorization in India. Zydus Life Sciences chose PharmaJet for their DNA vaccine delivery because our needle-free devices increased the effectiveness of their vaccine compared with traditional needle and syringe. And as the nucleic vaccine wave revolutionizes immunology, more and more nucleic acid vaccine developers are adopting needle-free into their development programs because they know we can make their vaccines better, that needle-free is safer, and can reduce vaccine hesitancy. And this has earned us the 2021 Most Innovative Vaccine Delivery System Award administered by AVEA. The theme of this presentation is that there's a growing body of evidence indicating needle-free delivery can make injectables better. PharmaJet's needle-free solutions can improve performance by providing a similar and often better immunogenicity in the patient with strong antibody and T-cell response. We can also reduce go-to-market risk because we bring commercialized platforms, registrations in many countries, and a global manufacturing capacity. And developers can keep the same formulations when using our needle-free systems. Our worldwide partner list is growing, and feedback has been very positive. Our products result in a 90+% user preference and an 18% increase in vaccination coverage. PharmaJet designs and manufactures needle-free injection systems that deliver a spring-powered injection in 1/10 of a second by means of a narrow stream of fluid which penetrates the skin. There is no battery, no external power source, and there is no needle. Our two commercialized systems are the Tropis intradermal system and the Stratus intramuscular or subcutaneous system. Each system delivers a set dose of 0.1 milliliter and 0.5 milliliters respectively. Both of these systems are validated and commercially available with regulatory clearances. Both systems provide an alternative to traditional needle and syringe or electroporation delivery with superior clinical results. And both systems provide an improved patient and caregiver experience with increased safety and comfort, which has also resulted in increased vaccine compliance. There has been a lot of focus on intradermal injections recently because the body's defenses are very strong in the intradermal layer due to the high concentration of antigen-presenting cells there. Most caregivers will tell you that giving intradermal injections using a needle with the Mantoux technique is very difficult, inconsistent, slow, and painful. So PharmaJet partnered with the World Health Organization and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to develop Tropis, which offers a much simpler, rapid, and consistent way to give intradermal injections. And today, Tropis is being deployed as part of the WHO polio eradication effort around the world. The PharmaJet Stratus and Tropis systems were designed to have a similar and often faster workflow compared with traditional needle and syringe delivery, making it easier for healthcare workers to develop a high level of proficiency. Using Tropis here to demonstrate, the steps are outlined and shown below. The first step is to prepare the injector by charging the spring, simply by closing the handles with one hand. Next, you fill the needle-free syringe using our filling adapter that fits any standard vial. And after inserting the filled syringe into the injector in step 3, the injection is given with a push of a button, as shown here on the right. In addition to the most recent campaign in Somalia, Tropis has been used in vaccination campaigns in the Gambia, Cuba, and Pakistan. In the Gambia, it was shown that because our devices have no dead volume, we can significantly reduce vaccine wastage. In Cuba, trained vaccinators expressed a very high satisfaction rate and were very likely to recommend needle-free delivery to others. And in large campaigns in Pakistan in the last 2 years, nearly 1.5 million children were vaccinated, and researchers noted an increase in coverage greater than 18% over previous campaigns that used traditional needle and syringe. And in Somalia, 100% of parents indicated they were more likely to bring their child in for a needle-free injection. We often get asked by pharmaceutical developers, can you inject my product needle-free? And our response is, yes, just try it. So we provide them with a laboratory starter kit, and very often they come back to us and want to expand their studies to other products in their pipeline. And this is how we've amassed over 80 studies currently in progress with 55 pharmaceutical partners. And with these partners, we've learned that nearly every pharmaceutical product can be delivered needle-free, including inactivated, subunit, live attenuated, viral vector, bacteria vaccines, and of course, nucleic acid-based vaccines, therapeutics, and gene therapy. In fact, we now have more than 10 publications indicating PharmaJet needle-free injection systems improve immunogenicity of nucleic acid vaccines across multiple indications as compared to both traditional needle and syringe and DNA vaccine electroporation. I'll briefly cover just 3 of these 10. Zydus Life Sciences recently conducted a non-human primate study on their plasmid DNA-based COVID-19 vaccine. They saw higher antibody responses with Tropis as compared to needle and syringe delivery and better protection from challenge with a light virus. They saw similar results in their phase 1 studies, progressed to phase 2 and 3 exclusively using our needle-free systems, and successfully launched their product with needle-free in 2021. In another study, INRA compared the results of DNA plasmids administered with needle-free jet injection compared with electroporation. And the results are very compelling because Tropis induced higher luciferase expression, was more potent to transduce skin cells, and lowered inflammatory responses. There is also now a growing body of data supporting needle-free delivery of RNA vaccines. CureVac compared both needle and syringe versus needle-free delivery at intradermal and intramuscular depths for their candidate mRNA-based vaccine that encodes rabies antigen, and they found that the candidate vaccine boosted functional antibodies when humans were injected with a needle-free device, but not when injected by a needle and syringe. At PharmaJet, our mission is to enable greater access to life-improving pharmaceuticals, and now we've taken that mission globally. Our clinical team has gained regulatory clearances for both the Stratus and Tropis devices around the world, in the USA, in Europe, and in markets in Asia, Africa, and South America, and we continue to grow this list. Importantly, PharmaJet has the first and only needle-free injection system to achieve pre-qualification status with the WHO. We are here today to identify partners to grow the business. We are a privately held company, and currently we're evaluating options for financing this growth. We're having discussions with potential private equity and investment bank partners, and we're looking for strategic partnerships, including both majority and minority stakeholders. We aim to increase our pipeline threefold in the next 2 years. So if you're a pharmaceutical developer and anything you've heard today sounds interesting, please reach out to us. The rapid scale of vaccine innovation we've seen in the last 2 years is astounding. It has also been an excellent opportunity to challenge the conventional models of biopharma delivery methods with novel needle-free methods. If you'd like to be part of that needle-free future, please reach out to us. I want to thank you all for attending.